This city in India has been declared as India's first integrated financial city, a major step in reimagining how financial infrastructure works in a state capital. I'm talking about Andhra Pradesh's Amravati. Now you must be wondering, what exactly is it? Let me break it down into simple terms for you. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced the designation after laying the foundation stone along with Chandrababu Naidu, the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, for a cluster of national banks and insurance firms in Amravati. Under this plan, Amravati will host the regional headquarters of around 15 public sector banks and insurance companies, bringing together banking, finance, regulatory institutions all under one roof. But why was this necessary and what exactly is the purpose behind it? The idea is to build a strong financial backbone for the new capital with modern infrastructure and centralized financial services from the group up. This financial city approach is being envisioned as a boost to not just for big businesses but also for farmers, the middle class and the common citizens by improving access to banking, credit, insurance and financial services. Also, by concentrating banks and finance-related institutions in one planned zone, Amravati aims to streamline operations, attract investments, and become a major economic hub. Another important question: how is it going to be built? The financial hub will include branches and offices of major banks like State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, etc., etc. The government has announced investment of roughly 1,334 crores for establishing the Bank Street or the financial cluster. Let me tell you, this move is also expected to generate thousands of jobs. Over 6,500 direct jobs have been mentioned. And if you ask about the significances for the new capital city, this gives Amravati a strong financial foundation, helping it grow not just as an administrative capital but as a full-fledged economic hub. It actually marks a rare, perhaps first of its kind push in India to build a financial city on a planned city canvas from scratch rather than retrofitting in the old metro cities. As the work begins on the financial city cluster, all eyes will be on how quickly the institution set up, whether the infrastructure lives up to the promises, and most importantly, if the citizens and the small businesses are getting benefit from it. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments.